Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pretty Up app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to install Pretty Up application on your mobile phone. And here, as you can see, I have installed this application. So I just need to open up this application. Okay, and basically guys, we can use this application to make ourselves prettier. For example, you can apply makeup to your face and then you can make your body slim. And I'm just going to click on start, and then we can choose a photo we want to edit. For example, guys, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and here you can use the editing tools which are available here. Okay, there are a lot of features here guys, and I'm going to show you how we can apply makeup to our face. If you want to apply makeup, you just need to go to the face, and then you can select makeup, and then you can select the looks, or you can customize your makeup. I'm just going to choose the looks right here. If you want to customize it, you can go to each part of the makeup. You can change the lipstick color, eyebrows, mascara, blush, and it's up to you. But here I'm just going to use this template. Okay, and click on the check mark. And now the makeup has been applied to the face. And then I'm going to edit body as well. If we want to edit body, we can go to the body, and then we can choose the part of our body we want to edit. But guys, as you can see that we need to subscribe to this application if you want to use these features. But don't worry, because we can still use this waist feature. Okay, and if you want to customize the shape, you can subscribe to this application. Okay guys, and then I'm going to apply effect as well to this video. We can go to the effect, and I'm going to apply for instance the butterfly effect. Okay, I'm going to select the V effect. Let's try this one. Okay, perfect. I'm going to click on the check mark. Again, this is the result guys, and I'm going to select this one. Let's see it's free or not. Oops, I think that's not free. Okay, I'm just going to go back. Okay, and you can explore the application by yourself guys. Okay, and if you want to download it, you just need to click on this option and it will be saved to your device. Click on save. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Pretty Up app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.